Abbas and I am from class 5 Sapphire. Today I am here to share my views about importance of education. Education is a process of learning, acquiring knowledge, values and virtue. It contributes to the development of better people around the globe. It is the key to the door of success and freedom. Education is an essential tool for empowerment and independence. The greater the spread of education, the greater the empowerment. It helps a person to succeed and helps in making the right decisions. Education is a weapon that can turn your weaknesses into strengths. So we can conclude that education is socially and personally an essential part of the human life. Hence, we all should struggle to pursue it. Thank you for your attention.